Hey guys, it's Julie with Luminberry, and today I'm sharing how you can enjoy some delicious Greek-style cuisine in a super healthy superfood way. Today's recipe is what I call a Greek-style kale bowl, and you can think of it like a super yummy lunch or dinner bowl that's full of balanced nutrition and best of the best ingredients. Even better, this is a really great make-ahead meal. So you can create ready-made portions and then just unpack them when you're ready to enjoy a balanced meal that's totally satisfying. I think you're really going to love this one. And if you're anything like me, an unabashed fan of Greek cuisine and always looking for an excuse to eat more hummus, you're gonna make this recipe over and over again as part of your healthy lifestyle. Get the full recipe at luminberry.com. Give this video a like. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and now let's make our delicious Greek-style kale bowl. We'll start with cooking some protein-rich farro by adding it to some salted boiling water. We'll let it cook until tender, and then drain it through a sieve before setting it aside to cool. Now we'll take a big bunch of lacinato kale and remove the stems. Before chopping the leaves up well and adding them to a mixing bowl. To make our dressing, we'll add a little olive oil to a small mason jar, along with some fresh lemon juice, chia seeds, dried oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And then screw on the lid before giving everything a good shake. Then we'll add the dressing to the kale and massage it into the leaves by hand until the greens are tenderized. Then we can slice up some Persian cucumbers and add those in too. Have some cherry tomatoes. If you like red onion, you can also add in a few slices. And then crumble some baked tofu in as well. And we'll toss everything together. Now we can build our bowls. First, add a generous portion of the dressed kale salad to each bowl, and then add a few scoops of the cooked farro. We'll top the bowl with a nice dollop of hummus, and finally add some halved Kalamata olives on top. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.